Nearly 30 years of inaction on marital rape could soon change as the government takes the first step to gauge the religious community's take on the matter. The Minister of Social Services, however, says it is long overdue, and this as activists continue to call for change. Cleopatra Murphy has the details.
Government is set to meet with religious leaders on the controversial issue of marital rape Thursday, after Minister of Social Services and Urban Development, the Honorable Obi Wilchcombe, admits that for too long, the country has been complacent in addressing the matter.
We invited the church to accept the church's word and positions on the issue because we want to make certain where we're going. Yes, this has been outstanding for years. Yes, we've told the United Nations and other organizations that we will arrive at a decision. We've said that for many years, but we have not done so.
Nearly 3 decades after the Bahamas ratified the Convention on the Elimination of All Forms of Discrimination Against Women, the CEDAW Convention, the country has yet to criminalize marital rape, a move activists like Director of the Bahamas Crisis Center, Dr. Sandra Dean Patterson, and others have called for government to act on. The issue was further ignited after Supreme Court Justice Denise Lewis Johnson ruled there is no rape in marriage under current Bahamian law. Still, she granted a woman a divorce on the grounds of cruelty. Wilchcombe says for those women who feel victimized, it's crucial to address the issue.
As the Prime Minister said, no one to be left behind. We're responding to the cry. We're responding to what is an urgent issue for women, and we cannot ignore it. We're men. And so men have a tendency not to always appreciate and understand. As Minister of Social Services, my responsibility is to hear all sides. My responsibility is to be the messenger, to ensure that we get the message right. And the way to do it is to sit with everybody, talk with everybody, to arrive at the position, and once it's done, to take it forward.
He says Attorney General Senator the Honorable Ryan Pinder and his team are working to draft legislation to define rape in all circumstances that will be acceptable to the public.
We're going to the stakeholders, we're going to the church, we're sitting down with all sides, and at the end of it all, we hope to arrive at a position that we can present to the government of the Bahamas, and of course the government of the Bahamas, the Attorney General, and the Cabinet of the Bahamas will make the decision where we go next.
The Bahamas is one of 5 CARICOM countries that has not criminalized marital rape. For the Bahamas Tonight, I'm Cleopatra Murphy.